Today, I'm going to show you how to generate a direct download link for your files stored in OneDrive, specifically if you're using a OneDrive business or education account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create custom links that trigger a file download immediately, instead of just opening a preview or taking you to the OneDrive site. This method can simplify file sharing with colleagues, students, or anyone you frequently send resources to, and it also looks pretty professional if you're distributing files in a newsletter or on your website. Let's jump right in and walk through the complete process together. If you're ready to make OneDrive work a little smarter for you, just follow along. First, open up your OneDrive and locate the file you want to share. Now, don't just select it normally, right-click on the file. This opens a context menu with a bunch of options, and we're going to choose Share. Why right-click instead of clicking somewhere else? It's just a straightforward way to access the sharing settings without accidentally opening the file or triggering something you don't intend to. Once the sharing panel opens up, you'll notice some permission settings front and center. Here, where a lot of people hit a bump, so let's make sure we set this up correctly. Click on the permissions section and choose anyone with the link. This is important. If you leave it at specific people or a similar restrictive option, then folks who try your link might hit a permissions wall and won't be able to download your file. When you set it to anyone with the link, you're ensuring your recipients don't need to sign in or jump through extra hoops. After setting it to anyone with the link, don't forget to click Apply. It's easy to overlook that step, but if you don't, the permission might not actually update. With that set, now click Copy Link. This button generates a standard sharing URL and copies it to your clipboard. If you're not sure if it worked, don't worry, you can double-check by pasting it into a text document or your browser's address bar. It should look like a long OneDrive URL with some random-looking characters at the end. Here comes the little trick that makes all the difference. Transform this regular sharing link into a direct download link. Take that copied URL, paste it into a text editor, Notepad, Word, or even an email draft, all work fine, and scroll to the very end of it. Now add in download equals 1, that's the ampersand character, the word download, an equals sign, and the number 1 to very end of the link with no spaces. What you're doing here is giving OneDrive a quiet instruction. Hey, send this file directly as a download, not just for viewing. It's almost like leaving a secret message at the end of the address. This step works best with business and education accounts, and it's the most reliable manual method out there right now. Once you've made that adjustment, your link is ready. You can paste it into an email, embed it on a site, or share it wherever your audience needs quick access to download the file. Anyone who clicks it will see the download process start right away. They'll skip the OneDrive preview screen entirely. If you run into any snares like permission errors or the file still opening in OneDrive, double-check that you chose anyone with the link and typed and download equals 1 with no typos. Sometimes it takes a moment for OneDrive sharing settings to propagate, so if it doesn't work instantly, give it a minute and try again. And that's it. You now have a clean, direct download link for your OneDrive file, a small tweak, but a huge difference in how smoothly you can share important documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or run into any unusual issues. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.